Hey everyone, if you want to check the serial number of your Apple 20-watt charger, this video is going to show you the correct method in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by inspecting the charger physically. You need to look closely on the side of the adapter where small text is printed. You will see the details like model number, then power rating and manufacturing info. Now, in some cases, Apple includes a serial number or batch code in very small text. So you can use good light or your phone's camera zoom in order to read it clearly. So here, as you can see in this particular image, we have the serial number available on the charger. So that's how you can basically find it. Now, if you still have the original box, you can also look at the label on the packaging. Apple usually prints the product details like serial number or other batch information there as well. So this is often the easier to read than the charger itself. Now, Apple 20-watt chargers often do not show a clear serial number like iPhones. Instead, you should verify authenticity using these signs, like it should be clean and precise printing. It should have proper Apple logo and the model number. It should have solid build quality and the weight and correct pin alignment. Some fake chargers usually have poor print quality or incorrect details. If you have purchased the charger online, you can go to your order details or invoice. Sometimes the seller includes the product identification or batch details. So buying from the authorized sellers reduces the risk of fake products. So that's how basically you can check the details on an Apple 20-watt charger in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.